comment, like, subscribe, share. Yeah? Man's in the sky. I'm in the sky, tell you to comment, like, and subscribe, you know? Boom. What's going on YouTube? What's going on my people then? It's your boy Gyley, we back. And today we're going to be doing some paragliding. Now this is an mad experience I've always wanted to do. So I'm gassed, I'm mad excited, yeah. The only thing I'm worrying about is the camera, because I want to show you guys this experience, innit? But if I drop my camera, look, down there, I'm X'd, I'm finished. Everything I filmed on this trip is gone. So, you lot, I'm risking it for you. Pray for me, innit? Peace. No, I'm joking, but no, pray for me. I'm just gonna be lit. I've always wanted to do something like this. I've done zip lining before, but now we're gonna do some paragliding. Everyone's just getting set up. I need to actually do that myself. But just want to give y'all the introduction, man. And we got the birthday boy. What you saying?
All good.
What you saying, you ready? Bro? You ready to do it?
I'm ready.
Cause he was shook earlier, boy. What you said?
Sir.
Everything.
London to New York to the world. Remember that?
Yeah, come on. But stay tuned. Bye. Come, let's go. Man's hella unfit. So we're walking all the way up to go to the top of the mountain to do the paragliding. I'm out of breath. But I'm doing it all for y'all, man. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, lads.
Blowing.
Now knees up, knees up.
Blowing.
What was it, heel flicks? Nah, it's long. It's so long. It's so long. Look, we have to go all the way up there. Yeah. This is long. Come on. Man's getting set up now with my pilot, my G. Introduce yourself.
Too heavy, bro.
Introduce yourself.
Too heavy.
Man, a little English. Sorry.
Your name? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Paolo.
Yes.
Outside with Paolo. Should be.
Please. The camera is automatic.
Yeah. So, guys, stay tuned. Alright, this is gonna be lit, you know. Alright, Dean, what you saying?
Gang.
What? Them man? Wait, have they gone up?
Already.
Them lot have gone. It's just us two waiting. The last two standing. All I know, Paolo, man. What? Paolo. Let's do this safely. I don't wanna dumb my dance here in Colombia, in Medellín. But yeah, it's gonna be lit, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. Hey, stay tuned.
Back. Sit.
Hey, yo, this is lit. Hey.
Back. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm free.
Yeah.
Free.
We outside, baby. Hey. Hey, this is lit. Hey. Taking the views. Oh, man. Hey, it's mad, cuz. Where's the waterfall? Yeah. careful. I say life is about experiencing. So go out and experience. Yeah. Alright, look, we got the GoPro there. Alright, look at taking Medellín. Ah, this is so sick. Hands in the sky, bro. Right. We all good here, man. See the world. Be positive. Do what makes you happy.
Medellin.
Yeah, let's see Medellín.
Yes, in the city.
Yeah, the city. Scenery's mad. That's mad. I'm just glad I can show you people. This. You can do the same. Yeah, but alright, we're going higher, you know. Alright, look, hey, you know, look how hey. Alright, this is lit. Yeah. Bro, my eyes are bare watering, you know. Man's not shook or scared, but the wind just hitting man's eyes, bro. I've got bare tears in my eyes right now, cuz. Alright, but this is lit. Can't say it enough. Man's in the sky, bro. Man's in Colombia in the sky. Man's risking more the camera for you lot, you know. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Rot it, mate. Hey. Oh, hey, boss. Hey. Ah! The man said, hey, wait. No, I'm cool, you know. No, I'm cool, you know. Hey, that was mad. It was good for like 10 seconds, bro. After that, I thought I was gonna drop and the camera's gonna drop. Bro, we're high, bro. How high are we? Palo, how high? How high? How much feet? Huh?
Repeat?
How high are we in the sky? How high?
Man, sorry. Lo siento.
No worries. Alright, you lot, I wanna try turn the camera around, yeah. But that might be a mistake, man. Yeah, we do a picture. Go on. Outside. Man's dangling feet in the sky, cuz. Well, hey, Paolo, where you going, though? Like, if I start on it, where you going?
Man, it's zona lechera.
What's that? cows.
Muchas vacas.
Okay. Yeah, this is lit. They want to turn the camera, but hey, if I drop this camera, everything from this trip, finito. Would have done my clock, huh?
And your friends.
Oh shit! Like, can you go to them?
Yes.
Can you fly over to them? Oh, is that eagles? What's that?
In Spanish?
Yeah,
it's
Spanish.
gallinazo.
Gallinazo. Bird.
Yes.
Hey, we're with the birds, cuz. I'm with the gallinacho. I was about to say, man's a bit seasick, but I'm not in the sea. I'm sky sick right now, bro. Paolo, if I vomit, what happens? Paolo,
Excuse me?
if has anyone vomited before? Has anyone gone? Ugh?
No, man.
Yeah, cool.
The Paragliding is normal.
Oh, yeah. Normal for you, boy. Not for me, boy. Bro, you're in the sky. No. I don't want to be sick. I'm just having a sick experience. You know them ones. This sky is amazing. It's an honor to actually show you this one. Bro, hey. Like turbulence is not, yeah, for you, bro. Turbulence, nah, bruv. Hey. This is bad. Alright, everyone, you only got one life to live, so live it to the fullest. Embrace life. Do whatever you can do, man. Because honestly, look, man's just got legs dangling in the sky. If my crepe drop as well, bruv, that's... Oh, imagine going home with 1 foot, 1 shoe, because of paragliding. Oh, madness. Yeah. Seeing the whole city. Yeah, I'm not trying to drop my camera, yeah. Aye, but live life to the fullest, cuz. Do whatever you want that will make you feel happy, man. Travel the world. No, man's in the sky, bro. Man's in the sky, bro. Yeah, I'm turning the camera on because I don't want to drop that. And you nearly, yeah. I got a bit too excited shouting in the sky and then it dropped. But it's lit. Colombia 2022. You know how we do. It's your boy Gyley Noir. We might say adios, not au revoir, because we're not in France. But, yeah, man. I'm glad you guys can see this. Peace. No, I'm gonna risk it. I'm turning around again. I'm back. Your boy is back. Just want to say, comment, like, subscribe, share. Yeah, man's in the sky. I'm in the sky. I tell you to comment, like, and subscribe. You know. Nah, but for real, thank you for watching my content. More content gonna keep coming for you guys. More content for your head top. Everyone could everyone's gonna get some good content from me, man. So, Paolo, what you saying?
It's good, man.
Yeah, we outside. We outside, baby. Peace. We're about to land, boy. legs up, and we go. Hey. Man, lick off man's head top. Look.
It's okay?
Yeah, I see. Alright, you look, yeah. Alright, you look, yeah. Man was just in the sky, bro. Man was just in the sky, bro.
Really, is it good?
Yeah, it was sick. Man was in the sky, bro. Alright.
Mala. ¡No mátala ya! Pasa que te diera con la mano de yo,
Hey.
Man, how
Huh?
about the fly? It's good?
Yeah, it was good. Alright, look. Hey, sorry, he got mashed up, bro. I dropped on top of man. Sorry, lava. Fire for that.
You okay, man?
Yeah, that was sick. Such an amazing experience. Yeah, see. Yeah. So they say, gracias. Wait. What are you saying? What are you saying?
It's live.
Hey.
Good experience,
Aye. Experience was mad. See the world, travel the world, do whatever makes you happy. Be positive.
Hey, guys.
Bam. What are you saying?
Risk my life for 28 pounds.
What are you saying? Told you. He didn't want to do it. Oh yeah. For the GoPro memory card. Let's see if we get the other side. What are you saying, Josh?
Good vibes, good views.
Mad.
Hey, guys.
Mad.
Sí, listo.
Mad, bro. Take it all in, guys, man. We outside Colombia. It's 2022. You know how we do.